Greetings everyone, Swati here at IMTEX 2019 and I have Mr. Matsui with me from Misubishi Electric's CNC Systems Division. So can you tell us about some highlights of the products here displayed?
This time so we can show the new launches E80 A and B. M80A is so our target is parts cutting market. E80 B is turning market. So and our standard CNC is M80A and B. Basically two model is our main target is die mold market and some parts cutting customer also is possible.
And how are you looking at Indian market? How is it growing for your division?
So now situation is very good. So market also is a very good situation. Some customer choosing our products. It's a very good situation for us.
That's very nice for you. And this show has just begun today. But since morning, how do you see the response of the visitors? How do you see visitors coming, and are you happy with the visitors here since morning?
This morning. So today is so some customer interested in IoT solution. So our site is already preparing Industry 4.0 suggestion panel also. So please check them.
Sure. And how are you? How do you see the market going ahead, growing ahead for you?
Step by step, Indian customer also is technical level is going up. So customer technical level demand also is going up. So our concern is only high accuracy and high productivity. So we can support that solution.
Sure. And thank you very much for joining us. And hope you have a good show ahead. Thank you.